So good evening everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Okay, so here I will teach complete UI technologies, Angular, React.js and Node.js that related technologies. In this course, we are going to learn Angular. Okay, everybody, we are going to learn Angular. So in the voice is not visible, audible, right? So give me a second, please. Yes. So yeah, as a part of this course, what we are going to learn. Okay, that is also I will tell you. In the starting of the classes, only introduction can be possible. What is the technology? Why we need to use the technology? All those things. So before learning this technology, what are the things we need to know? That is also very important. What are the prerequisites to learn this course? So the prerequisites are very simple. HTML, whatever the version may be. HTML, whatever the version may be, but latest version is 5. CSS, whatever the version may be, but latest version is 3. JavaScript or TypeScript. Okay, so as a part of this course, I will teach you here TypeScript also. Okay, right, but we need to have a little bit knowledge about JavaScript as well. All the UI technologies we need to have, okay, knowledge. Then after Bootstrap. What is everybody? Bootstrap version 4, latest version is 5 also, but 4 also there, okay, right. So these are the technologies we need to know before joining this course. Okay, I don't teach here HTML, CSS and Bootstrap in this course. Okay, right. Here what I will teach is TypeScript. First of all, I will teach TypeScript. After completion of TypeScript, I will go to the Angular. Okay, everybody, because somebody knows about TypeScript, somebody they don't know anything about TypeScript. They will feel unconfident. So can I learn Angular or not? Actually, without TypeScript knowledge also, we can understand because we have other languages knowledge also, like Java, PHP, Node.js. If we have that related knowledge, then easily can understand. Or else, so safe side for everybody is confident. I'm teaching here TypeScript also. Okay, everybody, right? So these are the prerequisites we need to know. Okay, before joining this course. Okay, right? These are the prerequisites. Now coming to our topic. What is this? Angular. What is Angular? What is this, everybody? What is Angular? What is Angular? So Angular is a, what is this, everybody? Angular is a MVC structure followed. MVC structure followed. Client side framework. What is everybody? Client side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language. What is everybody? Using TypeScript language. Each and every framework, each and every library should have to develop by using any core language only. Okay, right. Why they need to develop languages or libraries or frameworks? If they don't, everybody nowadays, every software company preferring to develop their client's application or their application by using frameworks or libraries only, right? So why they are using like that? Why they are using libraries or frameworks? What is the advantage of the libraries and frameworks, and why they are most of the people are using? Anybody having any idea? Online people and offline also. You can respond immediately. Okay, right. Anybody having any idea? Why they are using libraries or frameworks? Using? Okay, right. Any other answers?
To
Right.
build application rapidly.
Right. To do application faster. What is it, everybody? To develop application faster. Okay. Right. For example, I will compare with a real world scenario. Then you will understand very easily. For example, you have 10 crores of money with you. You want to start a software company. If you want to start a software company, there is two options available. First option I will tell you. You need to purchase a land. Then after you need to recruit an engineer to give plan for your office according to your requirements. Then depends upon the plan, what you need to do, you need to order the material, how much iron is required, how much concrete is required, okay, how much cement is required, how much sand is required, and how many people are required to construct that building. Okay, so after purchasing everything, after recruiting everybody, still we need to wait 1.5 years to 2 years to complete that building. Then only we can start our production related to our software company. So whenever production started, that means development started, then only we will get money from the client. So that is the first option. So there is second option also there. What is that? There are some nice raters are available in every city. Right, everyone? So what we will do, daily we will go to 4 to 5 buildings or maybe more than that also. According to our requirements, which building is suitable? 80%, some buildings will suitable, 90%, sometimes 100% also. So whatever the building is more convenient for our requirements, according to our taste. So what we can do, we can pay the money, either we can purchase it, or else we can take it for lease, or else we can take it for rent. So if any modifications are required, depends upon that structure, we need to modify, right? So within 15 to 20 days, maximum 1 month, we can modify that structure also. And immediately we can start our business related production. Then immediately we can start our business related production. Right, everybody? Respond. Okay, so what is the option you will choose? First option or second option? You will wait 2 years without money, or else only 1 month to generate the money. Most of the time people will choose second option only. Why? Because there is already some inbuilt structure is there, so that it is easy, very easy to modify, and immediately we can start our production also. Right, everybody? So that we don't lose our money and the time. Right, everybody? So in the same way, whenever you are developing an application, okay, we need to take care of 3 things, main very important things. One, security. Second one, performance. Third one, SEO friendly URLs. Okay, everybody, these are the 3 things we need to focus. So why we need to focus on these 3 things? Why we need to focus on security? Why I need to focus on performance? Why I need to focus on SEO friendly URLs? If I don't focus, what happens? For example, you want to transfer 20,000 rupees online. So you have chosen PhonePe. Okay. So if we want to transfer 20,000 rupees, PhonePe will take maximum 5 to 10 seconds only. Right? So in these 10 seconds also, somebody hacked that session. He theft all your 20,000 rupees, or else 18,000 rupees also. Right, everybody? So do you use that application second time? Respond. For example, if you are the owner of the PhonePe, okay, then what happens? Not only that, not only losing users, you will lose your social status also, and not only that, they will file law cases against on you. Why? Because of your application, they are losing their money. So they will file a cheating case on your application and as well as you all. So you are losing users, financially you are losing, societally also you are getting some bad reputation. Okay, and you need to face moreover legal issues, legal case law. Understand it, everybody? So that much drawback you will get if you don't focus on the security. Respond online people, say yes or no. Understanding? Online people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, don't think, okay, somebody will respond something like that. Respond independently. If you want to respond, immediately respond. Okay, don't wait for any other person. Right. So that is why we need to focus on the security. And second thing, performance. Why we need to focus on the performance? For example, you get some issues with the security. So you have cleared that. Okay, sorry. Security. You have cleared that. Okay, now what happened? Somebody want to transfer 20 rupees to a curry point owner. He purchased a curry, so he want to transfer 20 rupees. So to transfer 20 rupees, there is no problem with the security. It is transferring without hacking. But to transfer it is taking 2 hours time. Do you wait there in the curry point to transfer 20 rupees?
No.
Okay, so yeah, at a time in a curry point 5 to 10 persons will be there minimum. They all has to wait to transfer their money, and every 5 minutes again 5 to 10 persons will be added. They all has to wait in the same place to transfer the money. So that is unnecessary headache also for you also and curry point owner also. Right, everybody? So nobody encourages your application. Why this all these things are happening? Because your application is working very slowly. There is no performance in your application. It is secure, but there is no performance. So if anybody develops an application with security and performance, everybody choose that. Right, everybody? So if you have security also, if there is no performance, then you will lose all your users. You don't get any new users also. So that's why as a programmer, you need to focus on the performance also. Okay. So it doesn't matter whether that application will work in the industry or not. If you get any application means you need to think how much securely you can develop, how much faster you can develop. Understand it? How faster that application will work. You need to focus that those things only. It doesn't matter whether it will survive in this industry. For example, TikTok is there. Somebody wants to same application like TikTok. It doesn't matter. It will success as TikTok or not. You need to develop that application. So more than secure the TikTok. That's how your goal should be. More faster than that TikTok. Understand it, everybody? Then only you can survive in the software industry. If you are thinking already there is TikTok, then again why he is developing another TikTok? It doesn't survive. It doesn't matter. He is paying money to your company. So company has to pay you. So whenever you done that work, then only you will get salary. Or else next day they will terminate. Okay, right. These are the two things. And why I need to focus on the SEO friendly URLs. SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Why I need to focus on that related URLs. For example, you are developing a news website, news application. Right, everybody? So most of the time, which news people will read? Either political or movie. Okay, right. So some users, what they will do, they will directly come to your application, but some users they don't come, they will go to the Google. So what happens? For example, latest news, Nara Chandrababu Naidu release on bail. Okay, or else Nara Chandrababu Naidu Gachibowli concert. Okay, or else YSRCP bus yatra, or else Salar movie latest release date. Like that, they will search in the Google. Like that, they will search in the Google. In that case, your website, your application should come in the first page of the Google results or not? Respond. If anybody searches in the Google, your application should come in the first page or not? So how it will come? Whenever you search engine optimize it, that one. That search engine optimization depends upon meta keywords and meta description. Not only that meta keywords and meta description, that depends upon the title of the application, that web page, and not only that, that URLs also depends. That depends upon the URLs. As a programmer, you need to generate, however, that SEO person will be there in every company. Okay, he will plan that SEO. So according to that, you need to generate that related URLs. Understand it, everybody? So you need to focus on the security, you need to focus on the performance, and you need to focus on the SEO friendly URLs also. So as a programmer, you need to develop that code. Application means what? Nothing but code. Okay, whenever you write code, then only that application will be formed. So to generate that structure, security also, performance also, SEO friendly URLs also. However, you are maintaining that structure of the application, how much securely you are checking the conditions, depends upon that only. Depends upon that only your application will be secure and perform and everything. So as a programmer, you need to program for that. You need to develop code for that. So if you choose any core language to develop that basic structure to our application, it will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Depends upon the application structure. Very small application also minimum it will take 2 months, because everything you need to write by your own. Understand it, everybody? Everything you need to write by your own. It will take minimum 3 to 6 months. If it is small application also 2 months minimum it will take. Then only you can start real world application, real business scenarios. So in that case only client will release more money. Whenever the real business started, application started, then only client will release more money. Till then he will release small amount of money. Understanding? So if you choose framework rather than the core language, then what happens? Immediately within 5 to 10 seconds, sorry, 5 to 10 minutes maximum, you can download that framework or else you can install that framework. Okay, within 10 to 15 minutes, we can change the basic settings in that framework or library, and immediately we can start business related application, business related logic. Understand it, everybody? Why? Because they will provide the basic structure related to security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. So in the same day, we can develop real world business related logic also. But if you choose any core language to develop that application structure, only minimum it will take 3 to 6 months. Understand that? So that's why everybody is preferring frameworks or libraries to develop their application. Then somebody will get some doubt. Sir, what is the difference between framework and library? Very simple differences. There is no that much very big differences. Frameworks will contain some inbuilt functionality also. For example, Angular is there. There is pipes are available. So by using that pipes, we can use with dates also, or else we can display some currency symbols also. We can format the number system also. Okay, and we can do validations. Inbuilt validations also available. We can utilize that. All those things by default they will come. But libraries, they don't come. They will give only structure. It doesn't contain any predefined functionality. Everything we need to write. Okay, by our own code. So application level. So how much big application also we can develop either by framework or library. Small application also can develop. Big application also we can develop. Very big application also. Huge application also can develop. Understand it, everybody? Right. Understanding. For example, if they develop any technology means they will target will be huge applications only. For example, you are making bricks. Okay, you are you are manufacturing bricks. Understand it, everybody? So what is our agenda? It doesn't matter that that buyer will construct small home or middle level home or else a bungalow or else a palace. Okay, how much bricks he required, that many bricks he ordered. You need to deliver that. It doesn't matter how much, how he will construct the home. Okay, as a manufacturer, what we need to do? We need to build some strong bricks according to the business requirements. Understand it, everybody? So in the same way, whenever they have developed any technology also, they don't focus on the levels of the application. Small scale, middle level, big scale like that. Their target will be always huge applications. Then automatically if any technology, by using any technology you can develop huge applications means automatically we can develop small and big level applications. Understanding, right? Respond, everyone. Online people respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is a framework, that means it doesn't have it has some predefined functionalities. Yeah, I will explain later. MVC sector I will explain later. Step by step we will go. Okay, so first let me clarify about framework, why we use framework. Let me clarify that. Okay, I'm clarifying that. Okay, right. This is a framework. This is the use of the frameworks to develop our application faster. So what type of framework it is? Client side framework. What is this, everybody? Client side framework. Okay, so we have two types of languages or else two types of technologies. Okay, one is client side, another one is server side. So what is the differences between client side and server side technologies? Yes, for your knowledge, tell me. Okay, right. Front end is client side, back end is server side. Okay, right. Any other answers? Respond online people. Okay, right. So the major differences between client side and server side is by using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. By using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. But by using server side technologies, we can store our data permanently. We can store our data permanently. How we can store our data permanently? So if you want to store your data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. In a database. So the technology, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. The technologies which have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. The technologies which doesn't have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database, those are all client-side technologies. What are the examples of client-side technologies? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What are the server-side technologies? Java, PHP, Node.js, okay, Python, C, C++, Ruby and Rails. Okay, those are all comes under server-side technology because we are able to handle the database also. Understand it, everybody? This is the major differences between client-side and server-side technology. Okay, then why we need to use? Okay, why we need to save? Why we need to save the data in the database? What are the advantages of storing the data in the database? What are the advantages? As
We
per
can
your knowledge. Yeah.
with the response when we get from the UI and manage the data.
Okay, right. Any other answers?
For permanent storage.
Yeah, for permanent storage. Okay, right. Okay, good points everybody told. Right. Now I will tell my points also. Okay, right. Give me a second. I will tell you that. Okay, right. Advantage of the storing the data in the database. First thing is data is permanent. Data is permanent and that is manageable also. That is manageable also. If we will store the data in the tabular format, so there will be rows and columns will be there. So easily we can manage the data. Easily we can verify the data also. Okay, right. And not only that, not only permanent, not only manageable. Okay, so what is the advantage is everybody can see the same information. Everybody can see the same information. For example, I am reading an article about Mike Tyson. I am reading from India. Okay, in the Wikipedia, I'm reading an article about Mike Tyson. I am seeing some information. At the same time, somebody is reading an article about Mike Tyson from the US. Both will see the same data or not? Same data. And some other third person is there. Okay, so he has no, he's known he knows about Mike Tyson very well. Okay, he knows about Mike Tyson very well. He want to modify the data. He want to modify data. So in the Wikipedia, it is possible. We need to register and we need to log in. If that article is permission, then we can modify the data. So think somebody is modified, then immediately we are able to see the updated data or not. Respond. Somebody has modified the Wikipedia data about Mike Tyson. Immediately we can see the updated data or not. Yes, we can see the updated data also. And everybody in the world also can see the same data. Why? Because Wikipedia, they are storing the information in the database, so that wherever they want, they will retrieve the data and they will display the data. Understand it, everybody? Right. That is also one advantage. So anytime we can retrieve the data and anytime we can update the data. That is called managing. And if you want, you can delete the data also. Is this point clear to everybody? Okay, right. Online people respond.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Right, right. And another advantage is no need to, what is that? No need to do the same task or the same thing multiple times. No need to do the same work multiple times. For example, Amazon is there. I want to purchase a product from the Amazon. I want to purchase a product from the Amazon. Okay, everybody, right. Can you purchase a product directly Amazon? Respond. No, we must log in. We cannot purchase directly. We must log in. So can you log in directly? No, we must register. So whenever you are registering, what happens? Whenever you click on the submit button, immediately whatever the data you enter, they will store the data in their database. So that, yeah, so that what happens? Whenever you want to purchase the product next time, they will ask you to only log in only. Sometimes in the Amazon.in, what is the advantage is if you don't log out, login also available throughout, so that they don't ask you to log in also. So why they will ask you to log in? To track your information. For example, there's somebody purchased one product, they will return another product. So they need to verify which product you have purchased. at what time you have purchased it, what color you have purchased it, what size you have purchased it, how much you have paid, everything they need to track your information. So that's why they will ask you to first register. Not only registration is not complete. So every time they will ask you to log in if you log out. Why? Because each and every time whenever you are purchasing a product, they need to track your information. That's why whenever you are seeing your orders column in the Amazon.in, they will display your information. Why? Because already they have tracked your data. So that whenever you are going to that your orders page, so last 6 months, last 1 year, like that they will display also. Not only tracking, they want to generate some income reports also. So they need to know which month, which products they have say, purchased. So which user purchased more products and everything. Understand it, everybody? Clear it, everyone? Right. This is what we are. Okay. We need to do. So give a second. Okay, everyone. Right. This is what they will do. So since they are storing in the database, no need to do the same work multiple times. So registration also one of the advantage. Okay, right. Sir, you are telling about server side technology, but you are telling this is a client side. Then how can I work? See, directly we are not able to connect with the database. Directly we are not able to connect with the database, but indirectly we can do that. How? Through REST API. What is everybody? Through REST API. How to generate the REST APIs next class only you can understand. At a starting class you don't understand how to generate, how to work and everything. Okay, right. But we can tell something. What is that? What is the advantage of REST API? What are the advantages of REST API? Why everybody using REST APIs nowadays? Anybody having any idea? Right. For example, PhonePe is there. Through by using PhonePe, you can recharge your mobile or not. Okay, right. Through PhonePe, you can pay your electricity bill or not. So whenever you enter your electricity service number, automatically entire information is coming. Not only PhonePe, MobiKwik also anything. If you enter their service number, automatically entire details is coming. How this is happening? That means PhonePe and MobiKwik and electricity department both are running from the same server. Respond. You, your friend, and his friends both will stay in the same house or different houses. Different houses. So like that, in the same every application has to maintain their own servers, their own database. But how I am able to access one application related data in another application? How I am able to see electricity department information in the PhonePe or MobiKwik? Through REST APIs. What is everybody? Through REST APIs only. They need to take some permission officially. Then what happens? They will release that information to the PhonePe and MobiKwik, whoever taken permission. So that whenever they enter the service number in that application, then automatically they can see the same information about electricity or else whatever the things they have provided. Understand it, everybody? So how they are doing? REST APIs. Okay, they will provide the data through a URL. That URL is called as REST API or else web service. By using that web services or else REST APIs, two servers can communicate. Two different technologies also can communicate. Or else same technology also multiple technologies can, same application also multiple technologies can communicate. Same application, but multiple technologies. Client side you will use React.js or else Angular. But what about server side? You will use Node.js or else Java or else Python or else PHP. They have to communicate or not, because through the front end we need to send the request, and from the back end we need to get the response. How this is they are communicating? Through REST APIs only. So in the same application also two different technologies can communicate, or else two different servers also can communicate by using this REST APIs. By using this REST APIs. Understanding? That's why everybody using REST APIs. And not only that, if you want to transfer from one technology, if you want to change, if you want to switch from one technology to another technology, also it is very easy. Only backend related technology only we need to change. Front end technology is same, or else the back end technology will be same. Front end technology only we need to change. No need to change both. Very rarely. That is also one of the advantage. Is this point clear or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
The REST APIs we have to write in front end or back end? It's both.
Backend,
Backend.
through see backend will generate and front end will utilize. Okay, Rohit? Yes, I will tell you in the later classes how to do that also. Okay, right.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, everybody. Right. This is how we will work with the REST APIs also. Okay, understanding that everyone? Right. So then, which company developed this? Which company developed this? Angular. Which company developed this Angular? Google company. So it is a small company or big company? Very huge company. Okay, so it is one of the top 5 companies in the world. So why I'm telling this point, because there will be always huge funding will be there and huge support for the developers, so that definitely can choose as a career. What is this, everyone? Definitely can choose as a career also. Understand it, my point? Respond please. Wait 1 second. I will show you the project what we are going to do in the end also. That's why I'm starting this. I forgot before of the class. Okay, right. Please don't mind. Right. So both will do their work. No need to worry about this. Okay, right. So since it developed by Google company, there will be always huge funding will be there and huge support will be there. So that definitely we can choose as a career. And as a fresher, how much can you get? Somebody has this type of doubt also related to career. So as a fresher, minimum you will get 3 to 4 lakhs per month. Sorry, per year. 3 to 4 lakhs per year. Understand everybody? 3 to 4 lakhs. That means 30,000 or 35,000 or something like that. Okay, everybody, right? So 2 to 3 years experience persons, 2 to 3 years experience persons are getting 9 lakhs to 12 lakhs. 9 lakhs to 12 lakhs, or else 7 to 10 lakhs maximum. Okay, sorry, 7 to 10 lakhs depends upon the capability. And if you have 4 years, 5 years, minimum they are getting 12 to 18. Understand everybody? 12 to 18 also. So if you are getting experience, then your salary also will be increased and your life also will be secure because of this support. Okay, in the front end technology, most of the leading technologies are Angular and React only. Okay, some persons are using Vue.js also, but leading technologies are Angular or React. So definitely your career will be secure. And moreover, experience just you are a experience is for just you are a genuine candidate. That's it. But real hike depends upon your capability. That means capability means what? How much you are writing logically depends upon your logical skills, and not only that, your presentation skills also. For example, you have developed an application. We have okay entire application you don't develop some part, but you need to express that in the company meetings or anything. How much it is important that work, how much critical it is, how we have handled, how much securely you have developed, how much faster you have made that, and what are the things you have done. Especially we need to explain that. Then only they will recognize your work. See, as a company owner, I need to get money from the clients. That's it. I don't sit up beside of every programmer and he is doing work hard or else he is not doing work hard. I don't care about that. Whenever you are programming, it is your responsibility to express about yourself. In a single company, there will be 10 to 100 to 1000 to 10,000 persons and lakhs of persons also. In TCS, there is 6 lakhs persons are there. Tata cannot sit each and every 6 lakhs persons and who is doing work hard. He cannot see that. Infosys Narayan Murthy also cannot do that. Wipro Premji also cannot do that. So what they will do, they will give heights depends upon your performance. So it is your thing, it is your the responsibility, okay, to get to show better performance also and to express your things also. Somebody do the work, but they don't express anything. They need to find out. This is not hide and seek game. It's not a children game. You need to express yourself, not daily, but whenever it is required, definitely. You need to focus about your thing also. Understand it, everybody? Depends upon that only your career is secure, and you will get more hikes also. If you don't express anything, nobody care about your work, though it is very, very important. Right, everyone? Because you are developing that. That is your responsibility to explain that also. So depends upon that type of skills only your career hike will be, your career growth will be depends. Okay. So though you have so much skill, but you are not expressing yourself, of course your career will be secure, but you don't get that much growth whatever you are expecting. So if you want more career growth, so some skills you need to know and you need to grab also, you need to gain also, other than logical skills. But 90% only logical skills. Remaining 10% also very, very important. If bike is very conditioned, then if you put 1 liter also, 2 liters petrol also, you can run up to that. Understand, right? So your bike, proper bike is your logical skills. Remaining things is that petrol and these things. Okay, to make that comfortable. Understand it, everybody? So your logical skills also 90% important, and your presentation skills also, expressive skills also 10% and moreover important. Clear it, everybody? Right. So that's how we can plan your career. Okay. And one more time telling, depends upon your logical skills only. Your career depends. Okay. Right. Please remember that. Not your communication skills. Okay. Communication is only 10% or maximum 15% only. Remaining 85% logical skills. Understand it, everybody? For example, Steve Jobs is there, who started Apple company, Apple iPhone, or Mac. Who started? Steve Jobs only. But there is other main person also there, Steve Wozniak. He developed actually the OS. If he doesn't develop that OS, Steve Jobs can speak anything about that. So if there is a something, then he is able to speak. If there is nothing, what he can speak? So understand my point. Development also very important. Speaking also important. Okay. If there is no product, if there is no well-established product, how much you speak also, nobody purchase that. For example, there is a water bottle is there. It costs, everybody thinks it is 50 rupees only. If you want to try to sell it to 500, anybody purchase? No. Understand it, everybody? Right. In the same way, companies also. Okay. Just because of your communication skill, nothing will work. Only there should be work, logical work. Then only can I explain it. Okay. Right. So this is how we can work. Understanding that, everyone? Please respond. Online people.
Yes, sir.
Right. So by using this technology, by using this Angular technology, okay, by using this Angular technology, what we can develop? Web applications. What is this, everybody? Web applications as well as mobile applications also. Both will do the same work, same process. So I will teach here web application. Okay, right. So what is a web application and what is a website? What is the difference between them? What is the difference between them? Website and web application. Somebody will pronounce as website, somebody is pronounced as web application. Of course, we can develop single page web applications also. I will tell in the next classes. Whenever Angular installed, then only I will explain. Okay, what is single page web applications, are all those things. If I tell right now, you cannot understand. But I want to tell you the basic differences. What is a website and what is a web application? So website means only you can read the information. Yes, Praveen, I will teach TypeScript also here. Yes, in the starting of the class I told. Okay, right. Yeah. So what is this? Website means only source of information. Just you can read the data. You cannot interact with the application. You cannot interact with the application. For example, I have an institute. I will keep the basic information, courses and the timings and everything only. You cannot do anything. I don't keep at least contact us form also. That is a website. Web application means there will be huge interaction. There will be huge interaction. For example, Facebook is there. What can you do? You can send a request to any other person. So how can you send request? By setting their name. So setting means what? You are interacting. Then after you are sending request, you are interacting. He is accepting. That person is interacting with the application. And after adding, you can make a audio call, video call, or else you can chat. You can send emojis. What are you doing? Interacting. If there is a more interaction, that will be web application, and that should be huge also. Not only Facebook, Twitter also, or else Naukri.com also. Okay, you are applying for jobs. Then who is posting? Somebody will post that they need to register as a vendor or anything. Some consultants also will register. They will download your resumes. That's why you are getting calls. So how they are doing? By interacting with the application. So application means there will be always huge interaction also. That can be called as web application. Web application. Website means just source of information. Just we can read that data. We cannot do anything with it. Wikipedia also we are interacting. That is also very big application only. Why? Because somebody is registering, somebody is writing the articles, somebody is modifying. We are reading the information, we are searching. So we are also interacting, but not that much level interaction. But that is huge application. There are so much tons of information is available. So that is also an application. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Okay, right. So this is about this. So we are developing web applications. So I don't develop web applications. Is there any loss to the world? Nobody developing a web application. Is there any loss to the world? Is there any loss to the world? Nobody develops the web applications. Yes, there is a loss to the world. I'm not boosting ourselves just because we are coming to this software Angular demo. I'm not boosting about software applies. If nobody develops a web applications, there is a loss to the world. Why? Because if you observe before 15 to 20 years back, there is no that much of web applications. There is no that much web applications. For example, you want to transfer money, then what you need to do? Manually through online it is not possible because there is no online. Okay, then what you need to do? You need to go to the bank. You need to carry the cash manually. Okay, and you need to wait in the queue. There will be huge queue will be there. Understand it, everybody? And it will take minimum 3 to 4 hours also. Suppose if you are running a business, you need to recruit a honest person to handle with the money. Right, everybody? He has to wait and he has to deposit properly, and he has to write down on a book. If there is a problem in the book, you don't get proper information out. So for a single user, they need to maintain so many books. Understand it, everybody? And so to get that information also, your transaction report also, it will take a lot of time, and moreover that you need to wait without doing any work. Right, everybody? But nowadays what is everybody is doing? Whenever they are opening an account, at that time they are going to the bank. At the same time they are getting the online activity also. Then immediately they will registering in the online. So from the next day onwards, they can add the people. Okay, so that what happens, within fraction of minutes they can transfer the money. Some banks after 1 hour they can transfer the money. Some banks 30 minutes only. Some banks maybe 24 hours also. Some banks. But next time onwards, immediately you can transfer, and immediately you can generate your transaction report also. Which month you have transferred, which one, which person, 10 rupees what happened, 20 rupees what happened, everything you can get that information. So how are you getting? Through web application only. Who is developing that web application? Software applies. So if nobody develops an application, web application, or else mobile application, there is a loss to the world also, because we are the more crucial, we are playing more crucial part in the world evolution. Okay, we are not just dummy persons. That means I'm not telling that we are the gods, but we are making a little bit faster the world. Okay, and through web applications, mobile applications only, information is available. Through web applications, what we can spread? Information only. If we don't spread information, what happens? There won't be any evaluation. Right? So before 100 years or 200 years, there is no printing machine. Only they need to write in the some other things. So whenever printing machine came, books have started. Whenever books have started, information is started evolved. Then after online is started. Then what is happening? 3 years before 20 years, books is not available in all the places. Nowadays also in the villages, no books is available. They need to go to their nearest towns. Some books are not available in the towns also. They need to go there, district capital. Some books are not available in the district capital also. State capital they need to go. Some books are not available in the state capital also. national capital they need to. For example, before 20 or 30 years back, okay, everybody has to go to Delhi to prepare for civils. Books are also available there only. Or else, okay, they need to know about particular bookstore address, genuine bookstore address. They need to invoice some money. They need to send it back. If somebody has kept that money, nobody helps that. Or else, if anybody is going manually, we need to request that person, please bring back these books, and we need to give that money. So he has to come with that books back, or else he needs to go to Delhi. He has to transport that books here. Again, we need to wait. So if we are a middle class person or else rich person, okay, we have some contacts. But what about a poor person? I want to prepare civils. Please give me that books, means nobody listen to that. I'm not telling in movie story, that general I'm telling. Right? Poor person, so nobody get help. Then what happens? He has to go to Delhi, or else if anybody going, then he has to request, or else he has to find some bookstore address. Then he has to return that letter, and then they have to send the MO, and that is take minimum 1 month time if everything is fine. And if they want, if any subject they cannot understand, teachers also not available. They need to again go to the Delhi one. Through books also anybody cannot prepare. At least they need to stay there 1 or 2 years. There only they can prepare by the everyone. But nowadays what is happening? Through online also we can purchase. In online also some teachers are available. In internet it is available for everybody nowadays. Everybody is opening, accessing the applications through mobile also. So everybody getting information. Through information, what we will get? Definitely not sleep. We will evolve. Through information, we can change our lifestyle. Something we will change. So as a web developer, okay, you are playing a crucial role in the world evolution. Of course, directly entire information you are not spreading, but some client is there. He has some information, audio format or video format or text format. He don't know how to develop an application. What they will do? He will approach any software company. So if they approach any software company, as a developer, you need to develop that. So indirectly, you're spreading the information also. Understand it, everybody? So as a web developer, we are spreading the information. Okay, just because of that, everybody doing everything through mobiles or computers. Okay, so that everybody is getting benefited. Not only disadvantages of the technology, there are so many advantages of technology. Okay, for example, handicapped person is there. He cannot go to the bank, and he cannot wait 3 hours, 4 hours by standing. Now, first of all, he is going to the bank whenever he is opening account. The next time onwards, he is operating through mobile or computer. That much we have changed the world. Okay, right. Please try to remember that points also. Okay, right. So by using this web application, the advantages of web application I'm telling. I'm not boasting about software industry. I am telling the advantages of web application. Understand, right? Not only that banking applications or phone pay or anything, through Facebook also. Suppose you want a job. So whenever you are studying in the school, you have a close friend. You know he is very settled, but you don't know how to approach. But if you set in the Facebook or Instagram, you will contact that ID. You can send a request, and you can talk, you can chat. Then you can get at least a reference. Understand it, everybody? So that much it is available. Clear or not? Okay, right. So this is about advantage of the web applications also. Okay, everybody, right? So this is the things we have discussed today class. So tomorrow class I will tell you about MVC structure, how we will coordinate with HTTPS and everything. Today what we discussed is client side versus server side technologies. Why we need to use framework, okay, and how much secure our application career also. And not only that, importance of web applications. One more time telling, I did not boast about ourselves. I'm telling about the importance of web application in the world. Why? Because this also related to your career as a web developer. As long as world exists, there will be demand for web applications and mobile applications. So if there is a demand, if you are a proper web developer, then automatically you will get jobs also. Right? So no need to worry about that recession and everything. Recession can affect the MNC companies, but not startups and middle level. Okay, right. So now I will show you the project. What is the thing we are going to design in the last. So I will tell all the concepts of Angular. Okay, tomorrow I will show you that course content also. Okay, right. Today no time. Okay, right. And then after we will do a CRUD operations project. That is one project. And then after we will do a mean stack project. Mongo by using MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, and Node.js. So whatever the code I write related to Node.js, MongoDB, definitely I will explain. Okay, right. So that what is the advantage? You will aware of how to work with server side technologies also. You will be aware. Okay, right. I will show you that. Wait a second. Online people, are you seeing right? Respond.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Right. See here, everybody. Ramesh Food Place. Okay, this is a food related application. So see here, this is the logo. Not only that, Ramesh, forget about this profile. Just decoration purpose, I keep it. Order and everything also. Okay, right. Log out. Okay, and cart information. And you can set the products here. For example, see there, pizza. See how many pizzas are there? All the pizzas are coming. Whenever you press the enter, also it is coming. And observe here you have set slash pizza. And not only that, here you can click fast food. Tags also there. If you click there, automatically that foods are coming. Lunch, 3 items are coming. All the items will come. Understand it, everybody? Slow food. See again pizza. Previous also two, now also two is coming. There is no difference in this way. Slow food. See here. Here we are displaying the count also. Two are there. Two foods only coming. Okay. For example, fast food. See it. 4 items. 4 items only come. Hamburger one. Only one hamburger is coming. Understand it? This is the tags. Okay. Right. And not only that. Say here cart information. This is the product I have in my cart. Okay. Right. Now wait 1 second. Let me log out. Let me log in. So see here Ramesh @test.com. How am I able to log in? Because I have registered. So there will be registration functionality also there. Registration functionality. Then after I can log in also. Should not be empty. Writing wrong password. Invalid credentials. Login failed. Observe here. Okay. Properly login. See it. Welcome message. Login successful. Then after go to the cart. Okay. If I want to remove, you can remove. See here. Yardi. I'm updating the quantity. See it $4. Understand it my point? Right. $1. Then after see it. Immediately it is updating here also. Okay, everybody? Right. See it immediately. Check out. See it. Not only this, Ramesh, my name, my account information, my address, my order details with the image name. Okay. Total, quantity, this thing, and total also. One more time. Final total. Not only that, address of the location. I'm telling you how to work with maps also. After the class, I will discuss it. Okay, right. See here, find my location. Understand it, everybody? Right. So this is my location. This is my current location. Okay, everyone. See it. ADV main road. This is what is our area. Maitrivana. Right. Exact location we are getting. Okay. Understanding online people, respond please. Now then after, go to payment. One more time displaying here the address also. See here, PayPal buttons, debit or credit card. So how to create a PayPal account and everything also I will tell you. Developers related things I will tell you. So up to here I will teach. Up to here I will teach how to create the PayPal accounts and everything. Okay, everybody, right? Everything I will teach you properly. Up to here, okay? Right. Okay, everyone, looking professionally or not? Respond, everyone. Application looks professionally or not? Respond, please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, and
Yes,
you
sir.
will get knowledge. Yeah, by doing this type of projects, you will get knowledge or not? You are getting that confidence or not? Okay, everybody,
Yeah.
right? This is the type of applications we'll do in the last class. Last means it will take minimum 20, minimum at least 2 weeks. It will take the project itself. Not only in the classes, in the project also you will know the new things. You will learn the new things. Understand it, everybody? Something we can explain in the project level. We cannot tell independent examples like that. Something we can tell independent examples, but something only in the project level only we can teach. So not only in the classes, you will learn in the projects also. This is what we are working with REST APIs and everything. Understand it, everybody? So now coming to your question, by using HTML and CSS, we can design the web page, but we cannot make the registration page, login page. We cannot carry out this checkout page. Okay, on this Google Maps and everything, that is not possible. And exactly your location, how it is knowing exactly your location? It is working dynamically. If I open from my room, it will show that room address. Understand it, everybody? So it is working dynamically. Okay, right. So and this PayPal accounts also we need to do with these things. Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. Anybody having any doubts? And I want to tell you one thing. Yeah, I forgot to tell you about the course duration and everything. Course duration minimum it will take 3 months because I need to teach TypeScript. I need to teach TypeScript. Then I need to start Angular. Once that Angular is completed, I will need to teach this project also. Minimum it will take 3 months easy. Understand it, everybody? So daily 1 hour class, Monday to Friday only classes, Saturday, Sunday holiday. Notes related to examples I will give. Okay, I don't have any pre-written material, but I will try to make it. I'm not promising that, but I will try to make independent of Word document. But yeah, if I tell the example, it contains notes also. So what is the advantage is whenever you're reading, you don't read the entire material. Topic by topic only you will read. So the topic I will give the as a file name. In that contains example also and notes also. It is very easy also. Understand it, everybody? Right. So that's it, everyone. I think I have given information also, right, about course duration and everything. Right, everybody? So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue our next classes. Okay, right. So tomorrow I will explain one more time about this today class. And not only that, I will continue with the MVC structure. How we'll coordinate with REST APIs. Okay, everybody? Right. Thank you very much.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sir. In case if we are not able to join the class, so will you provide us the recording?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine.
After joining this course, after joining this course, everybody will get the videos, live recording videos only. Okay, example files also I will share with you, but don't depend upon the example files. You need to practice by your own. Depends on seeing that video. Videos I will upload
Okay.
regularly, but class files you need to practice. In the last I will upload. Okay, right. Of course I will upload, but you need to do it by your own. Then only you will get practical knowledge. Or else what they will do, just you will copy from my example and you will paste it in your. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't get anything else, any knowledge. Example files also I will give you, videos also I will give you. Okay, right. Forget it.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 second, everybody. Yeah, right. Anybody having any doubts? First, let me talk it online. Then after I will talk. Right. Anybody having any doubts? Online people respond. No, right?
sir, it's
Yeah.
Rohit. Sir,
Yeah. Tell me,
it
Rohit.
helpful for interview also. No?
Yeah, definitely, Rohit. Okay, I will help you in that way also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Thank you. See, if you want to keep this in the interview, this project means, please make sure you understand each and everything about this project. For example, how this marker is working, they will ask you. If you are perfect, then only you need to keep it. For example, how you keep this PayPal buttons, like that also they will ask. or else how you have completed the checkout also they will ask. If your entire thing is perfect, then only keep this in the project. Or else, of course, I did this one. Also, you can in the company after joining the company, you can prove yours. Understand it? But if you keep anything in the your resume means definitely they will go a little bit deeper on. Clear it,
Yes.
everybody? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So I will teach you everything clearly, but how much you are analyzing depends upon that. You can keep it. Okay, Rohit? Right.
Okay. Actually, I'm working from last 2 months in Angular
Okay. Okay. Right. Right.
organization, so that's why I'm getting difficulties. So I joined the class.
Okay. But I don't help in your personal, that means
No, no,
office
no,
work, Rohit.
no,
Yeah,
no.
yeah, right.
Actually, I
Just
want
I'm
to
telling.
know the flow of
Yeah,
Angular, how it's work, routing,
yeah,
component.
definitely. Yeah, in that case, definitely it will be useful for you. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much, everybody. Right. Hope you got some knowledge. Okay. Yeah. Bye,
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Thank you.